If you're looking for house for sale in Lapu-Lapu, we have here in Coral Village. So this is a private listing. So this is owned by a private person, not directly from developer. Currently, it is financed by Pag-ibig. So when you want to buy this property, pwede ninyo i-loan sa Pag-ibig para ma-transfer ang papeles. So we have here one unit townhouse. So this is the inside look of the subdivision. So there are spaces for garden area. So naa siya yung mga landscape, naa siya yung mga plants. And ang nakanindot dire is we have allocated spaces in front sa inyong unit for your parking area.
As you can see sa ato ang atubangan sa mga units, spacious gid siya, dili kay siya huot kay tan-awon. Basically, ang unit for sale nato dire is a 2-story townhouse, semi-bare unit, painted wall, floor cement finished, no partitions. So you will have the freedom to design it your own. If you're interested to view this unit, feel free to contact me. Contact details in the description.